Alrighty then. So this video right here is going to be a long one. It's not going to be a lot of chatting, but something that you guys constantly be hitting me up in the comment section every time I make videos, and y'all be asking me simple things. I'm like, why you be doing that, Easy? All right, so if you watch my previous other videos that I just posted of while I return back my gigabyte graphics card, the universe hates me, Best Buy banned me, I went a different route. So I did something that I was not going to do. I was not going to do it, but I got desperate, and I was like, if I do this thing, you guys is going to yell at me. You guys is going to curse the hell out of me. Y'all going to call me every name in the damn book. So this is what happened. After I wasn't able to get the Strex card, I went on eBay. Wait. Shh. Wait. I didn't purchase it off of eBay, okay? So calm your titties, okay? Just calm down. I was going to buy it. A seller actually just reached out to me and said that they was going to sell it to me. I was about to pay $1,200 for it, but I was like, no. One, they had to not use a brand new item. It's just I don't trust people on eBay that sells things, even if it's new, because a lot of times it doesn't have a warranty. I could have brought it from the seller with no problem, but I didn't want to take the chance of it. Even though I can get my money back with the eBay's guarantee, it's just I didn't want to deal with the hassle. I didn't want to try to go and file a claim. I just wanted the graphics card. So I went online and started looking for a GPU. So my thing was look for a 5070 Ti OC. I came across a Zotac, the Infinity one, the one that kind of looked like the Astro, the 5080 Astro. I was going to buy that one for $1,200, which I can still buy it right now if I want to, but I don't know. I was looking at it. Then I decided to go, let me hit ChatGPT up real quick. I want to see if it's worth getting. ChatGPT literally told me don't buy this thing because bad customer service, warranty problems. So when they said that, I kept saying, and it kept pushing me towards the Strex. I'm like, I want the Strex, but I can't buy the Strex because Asus don't have it. Fucking Best Buy, I can't order off that because I'm banned. No website is selling it. I just can't get this graphics card. Right? Cool. Start searching around. Now, I got the money. I got a lot of money in my bank account because I had to do a lot of chargebacks and refunds and all that crap and claims. So currently right now I got $5,000 in my bank right now with all those damn purchases I made and never received my money back. I love my bank because they issued me a provisional credit right back due towards all those things. So I have my money back. I literally have $5,000 in my account left. So yeah. I would show you guys what I have in my account right now, but I'm not going to do that because then y'all going to see all my information. But I got about $5,000 in one account, and I got about that. That's none of your business. So yeah, I started searching online. I did the smart thing because I didn't want you guys to get up here and talk about, oh, you did this, you did that, you did the stupidest thing. I'm not going to tell you the graphics card I brought until y'all see it tomorrow because I brought it off of Amazon. Next day shipping, okay? So the first one I was looking at was the Zotac, what is it? AMP Infinity, the one that kind of looked like the Asus 5080 Astro. I was going to get that one. Like I said, freaking ChatGPT just fucked me up with that. So I looked at what it was talking about. I seen people talking about with the warranty. I was like, didn't ChatGPT kept telling me I'm going to have issues, trying to claim the issues, basically if it has scratches. So I just didn't go about with it, which I'm mad about. I'm mad. So, start scrolling around, searching around. I came across another GPU. I came across the Gigabyte Aris 5070. No. The 5080. So I'm like, I'm just going to spend, because it's $1,500. It was $14.99. Oh, my baggage. It was $14.99 for a 5080. The all white Astros that has the Jeff thing with the LCD screen on top of the GPU. I was gonna buy that one, right? Only reason why I didn't go it, I seen everything that comes with it. I was intrigued with it. I was gonna buy it, but you know what stopped me from buying it? When I realized that it uses the same program that I was not happy with. I thought it was going to come with a different software instead of GCC, which is Gigabyte Control Center. You can't customize anything on it. You can customize the screen and everything else. Then I was like, nah, I'm not going to do that. Then I started shopping around with something else. I looked towards I started looking at the Zotac again. I started looking at videos. I didn't realize that, because when I was looking at it, I thought the light bar was more at the top. Actually, it's in the corner, bottom corner. So it has the RGBs that come left or right. Probably can't see my thing real quick. Hold on. You see my streamer cables right here? It goes up and down, like basically like that, but on this part of the GPU going like that. And it has the infinity mirror on the side. Okay? I was like, oh, I want that. Then I was gonna bite the bullet and just pay $1,300 for that Strex. Then I did something that I said I was never going to do, and you guys probably know what graphics card I'm talking about. I brought something that you guys know I'm not heavy on plastic, but if I would have got the Strex, the front AIO, the front shroud is plastic. So I was going to buy a 5070 Ti OC version of this particular card because it has RGBs over the entire card. It's only $1,039. That would have saved me a shitload of money. But then I was like, I got the money. I have the money to buy a 50 card. It was only $1,300. Why not? Because when I brought the Strex, it was $1,200. It cost me $1,223.01. So I'm like, if it's costing me $12,000, why not just put in the extra $100? So literally, I paid $1,400 and change. All right, doesn't matter. Why not just put the extra $100 in, $200 because of the tax and stuff like that? Plus, it was a discount on it, so I got $29 off on it and 1 cent. Cool. Paid for Prime. The card is on its way. It's actually should be here in the next couple hours. I did it for 4 a.m. I think 4 a.m., 5 a.m., or I think 5 a.m., 10 a.m. I think I did it for 8 a.m., 10 a.m. Delivery. So I can at least sleep tonight. Shoot, because if I do it right now, that means I have to stay up until 3 o'clock because it's 1:30 right now in the morning. So brought the card. I'm not going to tell you what card it is. I'm kind of like hyped for it. Because I'm hyped for it, and I'm not hyped for it. Because the simple fact is this plastic shroud. Y'all know me, I don't like plastic. That's why I love my Tough card. This Tough card is full metal. If I would have got the Zotac, that's full metal. The other card I picked, even the Gigabyte one, was full metal. This graphics card right here is plastic with metal. Every GPU I own is metal. From my EVGA to my 1080 Founders Edition to this is the only plastic one I have. My 4070 Ti Super OC, which is this Asus Tough full metal. My 5070 Ti OC Tough full metal, and this one I'm getting now is it's plastic. But the only reason why I did it because it's RGBs all over it. Like, I don't really care about the RGBs. It's just I want to be able to turn my head to the side and just see what's going on. Right? Because to be honest, I'm going to be dead honest with you guys. If I don't like this card, when I get this later on today, I'm going to pack it up and take my ass to Staples and return that card. And I'm going to come back online and I'm going to order that the Zotac. That's exactly what I'm going to do. If I don't order the Zotac, because the Zotac one is $1,200. So if I order the Zotac one, it's going to be a 5070 Ti OC. If I order the Zotac, I'm not going to go with a 5070. I'm going to go with a 5080. I'm going to go and just pay the $1,500 that they want for that. Get me the freaking Zotac 5080 and be happy. Because when I seen that Zotac one, I wanted it. I really wanted it. I chose that over a Strex. But you guys know there's one card, the one that I'm buying now. You guys know that I told you guys before, if I could not get a Strex, I would consider this GPU because of all the RGBs. And I literally told you guys that the only reason why I don't like it is because it's so much plastic on it, but it has RGBs all over the place. Plus, it's fully customizable. Like, the top part, you can customize. The back plate, you can customize. Then the other part of the back plate, you can customize. Then the RGBs in the front, you can customize. What? It's just that plastic shroud is like, why? I don't know. It's that plastic that's getting to me. It's like, I'm going to be looking at him like, damn, it's plastic. To be honest, guys, I don't know. I don't know what I really want to do, but I really want to see how this card is. Oh, man, I'm telling you, if it was full metal, I would be mad hyped for it and mad excited for it. But the way how you can add the RGBs on it is crazy. Like, it has multiple zones on it. That's what I wanted, was a graphics card with multiple zones. The Zotac one, you can connect it to the motherboard. So you see how I got my LEDs going off right now? I could literally use the plug it inside, and it controls the RGBs on the GPU of what I'm doing now. So I don't have to have any extra programs running. That's what I liked about it. But I don't know how the zones is going to be on it. Like, if I use Signal RGB, is it going to, like, have one part blue, one part green, one part red, one part yellow, one part pink, or like that? But I know the card that I'm buying now, when I use Signal RGB, it's going to be in every zone. Like, each part of the zones and plate and everything, it's going to have custom zones. And that's what I'm hyped about. Like, I'm saying too much. But I can't wait, guys. This video is already long. It's 14 minutes long. I ain't mean to make it this long. I already told you guys what was happening. But, yeah, if I don't like this card, I'm going to return it back and get me a Zotac 5080. If not this, check it out. If I don't get the Zotac 5080, I'm going to get a Strex. I'm going to get the Asus Astro. No, that's just being stupid. That's literally being stupid. The Zotac would just be a better option. The reason why I'm saying that is because it's built just like a Strex. I keep saying Strex. Like the Astro. Kind of look like an Astro. And the RGBs is way better compared towards it. The only reason why I like the Strex settings because I do use Asus Aura Sync. Y'all know I have a ROG Ally, ROG Ally X, and stuff like that. And when you use the controls, I do use what was the name of the that when I put Aura Sync on, I think it was Dreamy or I forgot the actual name of it. But y'all remember how I always have my own, like you see on my Legion Girl 2 right here, how I used to have one part that was like green, pink, and the other part that was like blue, like a cyan, and it just fused around. I forgot then. I think it was what was the name of it? It wasn't Sky. It was something like Fairy Berry. No, I don't remember the name of it. Watch, when I turn off this camera, I'm gonna want to remember exactly what it was. But I always set it up for that and put a custom color for pink and blue, well, pink and cyan, and it just fused itself together like that. So yeah, man. Ooh, why my CPU had a big load? CPU should not be doing that because the simple fact is I'm using an i7 700K. And I should not be seeing no loads. And my computer might crash because I'm seeing this spike hitting up. Let me see. This is why I like this computer, though. I'm looking at my CPU, and I'm not seeing any spikes. Okay, my temperature for my CPU is 56, and my loads currently right now is 12. But on my Stream Deck, it just keeps hitting up to 100. Let me see if I see that again. But this is what I was saying in my previous video, how I've been having some problems basically with my CPU. Yeah, so the loads look fine. I just keep seeing random spikes and stuff on it, which is kind of crazy. But yeah, guys, stay tuned for that unboxing coming up in a couple of hours. I'm going to catch you guys later. I'm going to go to sleep. I'm going to watch some more videos, just watching this thing. And yeah, Twisms. Peace. I'm out of here. One.